Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that can truly change your financial life: how to check your credit score for free, and most importantly, why you should be doing it regularly. Now, I know what you're thinking. My credit score is just a number, right? Does it even matter? Well, that number is way more important than you might realize. It impacts everything from getting a loan for a new car to securing a mortgage for your dream home. Heck, it even affects things like your ability to rent an apartment or how much you pay for insurance. So, knowing where you stand with your credit score is crucial, and the good news is, you can check it for free. But before we dive into the steps of checking your score, let's talk about why you need to know it. 1. You can't improve what you don't know. Think of your credit score like your health. You can't improve your fitness if you don't know your starting point, right? The same goes for your credit. Checking your credit score is the first step to understanding your financial health. It shows you where you stand, which can be a huge motivator to take control of your finances. 2. It affects major life decisions. Whether you're buying a car, applying for a home loan, or even renting an apartment, your credit score plays a pivotal role. Lenders, landlords, and insurance companies all use your credit score to gauge your financial responsibility. A low score could mean higher interest rates, being denied a loan, or even being rejected for housing. The higher your score, the more opportunities you'll have, and the better the deals you'll get. 3. Spot errors and fraud. Checking your credit score regularly helps you catch any mistakes or fraudulent activity early on. It's not uncommon for errors to appear on your credit report, like an old debt that was paid off or accounts you didn't open. The sooner you spot these errors, the quicker you can dispute them and prevent them from dragging your score down. 4. It reduces financial anxiety. Knowing your credit score can actually reduce anxiety when it comes to finances. Instead of worrying about what's going to show up on your credit report or how you're going to qualify for a loan, you can proactively work on improving your score. Plus, seeing progress over time can be incredibly rewarding. Just like with fitness, small steps can lead to big changes. Now that we've covered the why, let's move on to the how. Here's how you can check your credit score for free and make it a regular habit. There are multiple ways to access your credit score without paying a dime. Let's break it down. 1. Use annualcreditreport.com. This is the official site that offers free credit reports once a year from the 3 major credit bureaus: Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion. While the site doesn't give you your credit score directly, you'll get a full credit report, which contains the information used to calculate your score. You'll be able to see if there are any red flags, like late payments or high balances, and you can use this to estimate your score. How to use it? Visit annualcreditreport.com. Request your free credit reports, one from each bureau. Review the details and make sure everything looks accurate. Pro tip: even though you're entitled to a free report once every 12 months, it's a good idea to spread these requests throughout the year. For example, check one report every 4 months. That way, you can monitor your credit more frequently. 2. Check through credit card providers. Many credit card companies now offer free access to your credit score as part of their services. This is a convenient and easy way to check your score regularly, sometimes right through your online banking dashboard. Some popular card issuers that provide free credit scores include Discover, Chase, and American Express. How to use it? Log into your credit card account online. Look for a tab or section labeled Credit Score or Credit Health. Review your score and any insights provided, like how your score compares to others. Note: this score is typically a Vantage score or a FICO score, both of which are widely accepted but can differ slightly from the scores provided by lenders or other sources. 3. Credit monitoring services. There are several websites and apps that provide free credit scores and reports as part of their credit monitoring service. Some of the most popular options are Credit Karma, Credit Sesame, and Mint. These services give you not only a snapshot of your score, but also personalized tips and alerts about changes to your credit report. How to use it? Sign up for a free account on a site like Credit Karma or Credit Sesame. Connect your credit accounts to see your score and report. Monitor your score regularly and set up alerts for changes. Credit monitoring services usually offer additional features, like credit score tracking and identity theft protection, which can be a real peace of mind. 4. Ask your lender or bank. If you're in the process of applying for a loan or credit, your lender may provide you with your credit score for free as part of the process. Some banks also offer free credit score checks to customers, even if they aren't applying for a loan. It's worth asking your bank or lender if they can provide this information. How? Ask your bank or lender if they offer free access to your credit score. If they do, check in with them regularly for updates. 5. Use apps for personal finance apps like Mint or Personal Capital. Let you track your financial life in one place, including your credit score. These apps pull data from various sources, such as your bank and credit card accounts, and give you an overall picture of your financial health. Some apps even provide tools to help you improve your credit score over time. How to use it? Download the app. Link your financial accounts to get a holistic view of your financial situation. Track your credit score over time and get insights into improving it. Tips for maintaining a healthy credit score. Now that you know how to check your score, let's talk about what you can do to improve and maintain it. 1. Pay your bills on time. Your payment history is one of the most important factors in determining your credit score. Always aim to pay your bills on time, every time. If you ever miss a payment, get caught up as soon as possible. 2. Keep your credit utilization low. Try to use less than 30% of your available credit limit on each of your credit cards. High credit utilization can negatively impact your score. So, the lower you keep your balance in relation to your credit limit, the better. 3. Check for errors. Errors on your credit report can drag down your score. Dispute any inaccuracies right away, whether they're old accounts that should be closed or payments that you've already made. 4. Don't open too many accounts. While opening new accounts can temporarily lower your score, opening too many accounts in a short period can signal financial instability. Only open new accounts when necessary. 5. Build a credit history. A longer credit history generally results in a better score. If you're just starting out, consider using a secured credit card to build a solid credit history. So there you have it. Checking your credit score is quick, easy, and free. And the best part? You now have the power to monitor, manage, and improve your score, giving you greater control over your financial future. Whether you're planning to buy a home, get a car loan, or just improve your financial well-being, understanding and tracking your credit score is a major first step. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about progress. So don't let your credit score intimidate you. Start checking it today, take action, and watch your financial confidence grow. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below with any questions or tips you have for improving credit scores. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content like this.